Good afternoon. My name is Chunle. Good afternoon. My name is Dorji. So, Dorji, where are you from? I'm from Switzerland. Where are you from? I'm from Japan. Oh, I see. From where in Japan? From Tokyo. Come in, have a seat. Let's have some tea. When did you arrive? I came last month. When will you leave? I plan to leave next month. Please tell me whenever you're going. I'll go whenever the monsoon starts. This is a picture of my friend. He lives in Switzerland. Do you have pictures of your family? Yes, this is my mom and dad. And these three are my older brothers. This is my younger sister. Is this her house? Yes, we both live there. Have you ever been to Tibet? No, but I went to Nepal when I was small.